Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel at Akeem Hola. We have another question to solve today, and the question we are solving today is under the topic radicals. It simply means salt. Let's go solving the question on the board right now. We have solution. How are we going to solve this particular question? We are given roots 4x minus 3 minus root 2x minus 5 is equal to 2, and we are asked to solve the equation. Anytime you are asked to solve a particular question, that means there is a letter in that question. They want you to find the value of that particular letter. Looking at this question now, you will observe that the letter in this particular question is x, and we need to find the value of x. How can we solve it? The only way we can solve this particular question is by moving this to the other side. This is what I mean. I have root 4x minus 3 is equal to, move this to the other side. That means you're going to have 2. The sign will change, plus 2x minus 5. We have something like this. The next thing I should be thinking of is how to remove the square root sign. And for me to remove the square root sign, I need to square both sides. So I will write there, square both sides. So I will write square both sides. By squaring both sides, we are going to have something of this nature. Root 4x minus 3. I am going to have square here is now equal to 2 plus 2x minus 5. Then I am going to square this side too. If I should square both sides now, the square here will remove the square root. That means here I will be left with 4x minus 3 is now equal to, here I will have 2 plus root 2x minus 5 into 2 plus root 2x minus 5. Now I have this. You can see I don't have any problem on this left hand side. I am having a lot of problem with the right hand side. So what do I need to do? Let's multiply this side. If you multiply this side, you will have 4x minus 3 is now equal to, this one will give us 4 plus 2 root 2x minus 5. Then I'm going to multiply with this that we have plus 2 root 2x minus 5. I have this. Then I can now multiply it twice. If you multiply this and this twice, it will remove the square root sign. So we have this. So from here, you will observe that these two can be combined together. 2 root of this will give us 4. That means I am going to have there 4x minus 3 is now equal to 4. I can collect like terms. If I should collect like terms, we have 4 minus 5 plus 2x. Then adding this together, we have 4 root 2x minus 5. You have them by adding the coefficient together. So from there, I will have 4x minus 3 is now equal to 2x. 4x minus 1, that will give us minus 1 plus 4 root 2x minus 5. From there, what will I have? I can move this 2x and minus 1 to the other side. If I should move it to the other side, I will have 4x minus 2x minus 3 plus 1. Everything is now equal to 4 root 2x minus 5. Solving further, you will observe that we have 2x minus, this one will give us minus 3 plus 1 will surely give us minus 2 is now equal to 4 root 2x minus 5. From here, you will notice that 2 is common to both sides. I have 2, the 2 can go out. I have minus 1 is now equal to 4 root 2x minus 5. So these 2 will cancel these 2. I am left with x minus 1 is equal to 2 root 2x minus 5. So from here, I need to remove this square root sign again. If I should remove the square root sign, that means I am going to square both sides. I will write square both sides. If I should square both sides, what will I have? I am going to have square this side, and we have x minus 1 square is now equal to 2 root 2x minus 5 square. That means that we have x square minus 2x plus 1 is now equal to, this one will give us 4 into 2x minus 5. That means from here now I can have x squared minus 2x plus 1 will now be equal to 8x minus 20. From here, I can move everything to this side. Then I can now solve it using a method of solving quadratic equation. So here I will have x squared minus 2x. This one will come here minus 8x plus 1 minus 20 is now equal to 0. So from there, we have x squared minus 10x minus 19. This one will give us plus. When it comes here, it comes plus. So we have 20 minus, okay, plus 21 is now equal to 0. So from here, I can now solve it. How will I solve it? I need to look for two numbers. I'm thinking of 7 and 3. That means that we have x squared. By factorizing this now, I'm going to have minus 3x minus 7x plus 21 is equal to 0. That will eventually give x. I am going to pair them together. That means that we have x into x minus 3 minus 7 into x minus 3 is now equal to 0. I can now equate both brackets. So I have x minus 3 bracket x minus 7 is equal to 0. This will eventually give x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. This now implies that x now will now be equal to 3 or 7. That is the value of our x. As you can see, we have successfully determined the value of our x. We are going to stop here for now, and we'll take it up from here next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Akeem Online. You can also like and share my video. I'm going to rest my case here. God bless you. God bless me. We move.